You can create a glossary using the virtual writing tutor. First, log in. On the navigation bar, click on Writing Tools and select Glossary Creator. Write the title of your new glossary in the text area and click New Glossary. You have a title. Now you should add your topic. Click Save and write an introduction and click Save. Enter your first item by clicking on the Edit button and type in the word you wish to define. Identify the part of speech. Add an audio file for pronunciation by clicking on the speaker. You can hear it and save it. You can add a definition. Click on Go for a definition from Google. A painting of Jesus or another holy figure. A person or thing regarded as a symbol or as worthy of veneration. Click down for more definitions. A symbol or graphic representation on a screen of a program, option or window. Let's take this one. We'll copy that. Go back to the editor, paste it. Let's put it in sentence case and save. And you can add a picture. You can get a free picture from Wikimedia and the search has been done for you. Here's an icon that we can use. Click more details. Use this file on the web. Copy the file URL. And here we can put a description of the picture. A preview appears on the right. You can add a translation. Click Go. Copy. Paste. And save. And you can add a sentence demonstrating how to use the word. On LexTutor, you have a number of different concordances that you can choose from. Let's try Academic General. Type in the word you're looking for and click Get Concordance to see example sentences. It may take a minute for the system to find all the sentences. Here's one. Commands using this system has been via a window icon mouse pop-up menu. Click on the word to see the context and copy the sentence. Return to your glossary editor and paste it. Click Save. On the right hand side you have the item, this part of speech, a pronunciation model, an image, the definition, the translation from your first language, and an example sentence. Here are some published glossaries I have made. The first one is a food glossary. As you can see, I have a number of items already entered. And I can create a quiz by clicking on the quiz button. The items are on the left, the definitions are on the right. A dish of Mexican origin, fajita. Check. You can also publish a card game. Click on Card Game. And we click Print using the default printer settings on letter size paper. I can save as a PDF. I can also publish a glossary. And here it is. It counts the number of items, puts my introduction at the top. All my items are listed in alphabetical order, and at the bottom of the page I have a link to my card game, my vocabulary matching exercise, and the virtual writing tutor. I can also export my glossary as an iFrame, embed it in a Blogger post or on a Moodle or other web page, and I can export it as HTML. You can see examples on the example page. That's it. I hope you use the Virtual Writing Tutor's Glossary Creator to create your own glossaries.